Okay, today we're going to make old-fashioned recipe. It's called Uscipkle. Those are flat fry bread from the Balkans, from Croatia. So join us in making these beautiful desserts. You can make it with coffee, eat it with coffee. Can I tell you the recipe? Okay, so there's 5 cups of flour. I added 4 cups of unbleached flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt, and 2 spoons active yeast, and 1 cup of warm water, and we let that sit for about half an hour. And now we're ready to assemble it together.
Extra flour.
Yes, and we'll have extra flour just in case. And we're going to use this. We're going to use this to stiff the flour in there. Okay. Don't crack it inside. Warm water and 1 spoon of sugar. Add the flour. You can add salt. We'll add some more water. Just a little bit at a time, like that. We don't want any avalanche. And we're gonna mix it so we try not to get any clumps. Then we'll add about 1 cup of warm water. Slowly. Yeah, we added all of it. Okay, we have to go this way. I know. So they're bite size for you. If it makes them too big, you might not eat the whole thing. It's really bothering my mother.
Those are a little bit small, Karen. Those are a little bit small, right?
Sorry, should I make this one bigger like this? Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger because we don't have enough to make two rolls. You can also make this instead by cutting a slit in the middle. Then when they fry, they'll have a nice So I test the oil with this little sample. It's ready. So we'll put it on the side. We had to use too much while we were heating up the oil. We put the oil on top, and here they are. This is what it's like. See how they bubble up? 3 minutes on each side, and then we're done.